Now we'll proceed with the feedback session. Okay, I think we're done with the interview. So now I want to know about, like, first of all, I want to know from you that what you felt about the interview. How
It
was
was
it?
good, sir.
It
It
was
was
good.
a bit challenging this time.
Okay.
Like I was doing some brainstorming. I know I didn't sound. This
See,
time I had a lot of confidence.
I'll tell you, I had that intention to make it challenging this time because previously I was in a mindset to make it simple, not very complex for you. But now, as I know you very well, as I know all your points, that where can you lack, what all things you cannot speak, you cannot think much about all
Hmm.
that. So that
Hmm.
things I added this time because I knew
Yes.
that at some points, whatever question I asked today, I prepared specially for you so that you can answer all of this because I
Yes,
was
sir.
like, okay, I want to test you. I want to test your skills that how good can you perform without a preparation,
Yeah.
right? I'll tell you a
Yeah.
few things what I observed from the interview.
Hmm.
The intro part was very good. Like I told
Hmm.
you to work on intro, you worked on the intro, you made it better. Now it sounds
Hmm.
very good. Now intro is
Hmm.
sounding good, everything is good. But still,
Hmm.
in the questions, in scenario-based questions, the answers are
Hmm.
not up to the mark. I still
Hmm.
feel that something more can be added because whatever
Okay.
answers you are giving, like the last answer which you gave, that was a satisfactory answer. I was
Hmm.
satisfied that one that you
Hmm.
told that we have a parent influence till class 6, and once he
Hmm.
grows, he might have changed his mindset. Right?
Hmm.
That was a great point actually. That will
Hmm.
definitely help a customer to convince. Right?
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
apart from this question, whatever answers you gave me, I was not
Hmm.
satisfied with that answers completely.
Okay. Hmm.
Partially I was, but completely I
Hmm.
wasn't
Hmm.
because somewhere or the other down the line I was thinking that you can add something more to it. I was
Hmm.
expecting a good response from your side
Hmm.
actually, and I was
Hmm.
not at all satisfied with the answers which you gave.
Hmm.
Partially I was, but initially I was thinking that you can frame it a good way, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Like, see, I told you, I think this question I've asked you before also in the previous interview that like if you don't know about anything of academics, then how can you how can I trust the product? Have I
Hmm.
asked this question
No, sir.
previously?
No, no,
I
no, no,
haven't. Okay.
no.
Okay. So for this question, if you are mentioning, sir, like as you mentioned, it was sounding more like, sir, like let it be what I am. Don't judge me. Just take the product. You have seen the advertisement. You know all about that. Just go for it. Don't judge me. It was like that. I know what I need to do. Don't judge me. Don't teach me anything. It was more sounding like that. That you are having enough confidence on you. That's how you want to buy it. No, I am going from here. It was sounding like this. The tone was like this. That if you want to buy, take it. Else, say no. I'll go from here right now. It
Hmm.
was sounding like this. Okay.
Hmm.
So in these types of question, now you can tell that sir, see, in this world, everybody is not perfect, right? Everyone has some other another loopholes, right?
Hmm.
So, sir, I might not be knowing the answers of the questions which you asked, but sir, there are
Hmm.
many of the things which I know, sir,
Hmm.
right? So this is not a point where we can debate, or this is not the
Hmm.
point for which you can say that you don't want to buy this. Sir, see, I
Hmm.
have some like I have my like loopholes. I can
Hmm.
understand, and I agree to your
Hmm.
point. I was not able to answer today, but
Hmm.
sir, don't judge on this. See, every
Hmm.
person is not perfect. Even you are not perfect. Even I am not perfect, right?
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
sir, I have some loopholes, but don't judge that. Just forget
Hmm.
that. I assure you, sir, that you won't be
Hmm.
facing any difficulty after enrolling in this course. So this is
Hmm.
the way to frame the answers.
Hmm.
It sounds like okay, yeah, she's right. Everyone
Hmm.
doesn't know anything. So like he'll
Hmm.
make his mindset that she's
I
right.
mean,
Actually, she's
modest.
right.
Yeah.
She's
Yeah.
honestly
But.
telling that I don't know. That is a
Hmm.
honesty. And you are
Hmm.
ensuring also. That's what I ensure you. Once you take the
Hmm.
complete course, you won't face any difficulty. If you are facing any
Hmm.
difficulty, you have my number, call me, I'll come to your house. I'll resolve
Hmm.
it for you.
Hmm.
So I am there for you, sir. Just give that trust to the customer. That whenever
Hmm.
you require, I am there for you, sir.
Hmm.
So that is the thing which you have to add. That
Hmm.
was not sounding like that, right?
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. And in all the questions, when I told you to sell a sweater or
Hmm.
a pink color, like I told you that you can offer it for free also. I never asked you to take a charge from me. You can add that point. Previously, also we had that debate, right? So if customer is rigid that I
Hmm.
want to buy a blue t-shirt only, then don't
Okay.
force him. Give 2 3 instances and then give it for free. If the interviewer is not telling you to take money for that, then why you are focused on that? You can just have a
Okay.
simple answer. Don't make it
Mm.
complex. It is not required at all. Okay, sir, you want blue t-shirt? Take blue. I am giving you a yellow t-shirt free because yellow is your favorite color and you are the first customer who visited today in this festival season. So only for you, I am giving this to you
Mm.
for free. Give it for free, no
Okay.
issues.
Okay.
You can charge on the blue t-shirt, right? You can just have
Okay.
some adjustment on the blue t-shirt. So I
Mm.
never told you I want money for that. You can just offer it for free, no issues.
Okay.
So,
Mm.
so don't try to complex the questions. Whenever the question are, so try to make it simple. If it
Mm.
can be solved simply, then why to complex it?
Yeah.
Convincing is important, but
Yeah.
over convincing is not required.
Yeah.
Don't try to over convince the customer that he
Mm.
feels irritated. Okay. And one question which I asked, which was a very good question, that if I am taking a big car, then why do you want to go for like middle range car? Right. In
Mm.
all this, yes, like you explained right, but at the end, from the starting of the conversation till the end, you stretched it so long that was not required. The point which you
Mm.
mentioned that was very good. That's a, instead of buying one, you can buy two. If you have two child, you can have it, or you can gift it one. Once with will be with you, all have same
Sir,
features.
actually,
But you stretched
I
it.
was lacking the ideas, sir. So I was thinking, like, whenever I do a role play, I'll try to brainstorm my ideas. Like, then I'll be suddenly getting a strike. So then I'll be putting it to VOC.
So I was I was
Okay.
I was expecting that you'll add this point at the beginning only. I didn't
Okay.
expect that you will take it so long. Not at all required, right?
Yeah.
So don't stretch
Yeah.
the answers unnecessarily. It was not required at all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that is the thing which you need to take care whenever you're giving an interview.
Hmm.
Think for it for 1 minute. Take 1 minute from me. If you want,
Hmm.
take 1 minute from me. Ask me, sir, can I take 1 minute to think? I'll not say
Hmm.
no to you. Take your
Okay.
time, think of it, and just summarize it in a short way.
Hmm.
I know you know the answer. You have in the
Hmm.
back of your mind, but
Hmm.
recalculate it. Like
Okay, sir.
calculate it at one place. That what should I summarize? If I need to
Hmm.
give a summary of this answer, how can I summarize this?
Hmm.
Right? So all these things you need to take care.
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm.
So these are the points which I observed. And one thing you have covered, that was two-way communication, right? I mentioned about two-way communication. So you were doing that. And I
Hmm.
noticed that you were asking me questions at every point of time. That,
Hmm.
sir, why do you want this? Why do you want that? What is the requirement? Why have you
Hmm.
came here? Right? You were
Hmm.
asking. That is a great point. In every question you should ask. That is
Hmm.
creating a positive impact towards the interviewer. That okay, you are having a two-way communication. It's not that you are just going on saying one thing only. You are
Hmm.
focusing on different things also, right? You are
Hmm.
focusing on the mindset of customer, at what customers want, what is his demand, all that those stuffs, right?
Hmm.
That was a great part and excellent. I just appreciate the confidence which you have. Okay.
Hmm.
Previously also I told you that your communication skill is very good. Okay.
Hmm.
And the confidence which you have while giving the answer, that is most appreciable. That is
Thank
the
you, sir.
thing that is creating a positive impact throughout the interview. If you are giving a wrong answer also, then also it is creating a positive impact also only. It is giving
Hmm.
somewhat a fragrance, right? That okay,
Hmm.
she has that confidence, that zeal. She is
Hmm.
not just skipping the question without
Hmm.
answering it. She is trying.
Hmm. Hmm.
Whatever she knows, she is trying her best. And then whatever outcome comes, that is secondary. That is not at all like required. We can figure it out. What should be right, what should be wrong. But
Hmm.
first of all, the confidence is required. Whenever you're going to a customer's place, you should be confident in yourself. If
Hmm.
you're not having the confidence, then definitely that is a problem, right? So confidence is the best thing you should have.
Hmm.
Answers can be reframed, restructured. That is not a problem.
Hmm.
But confidence is the main thing that you are having at the best. Because
Thank
I
you, sir.
have, as I told you that day also, that I have many candidates, but I haven't seen this much confidence in a like final round of interview. Because
Hmm.
people feel like they are not able to answer, or in some answers, or whatever question I'm asking, they are telling some different thing, some different stories. Okay. So altogether, the question is going some other direction and answer is having some another direction. So things are like all like it becomes a khichdi altogether, right? That is not the thing with you. It is actually to the point, which is coming to
Hmm.
the point. You are directly trying to come to the point. That is the best
Hmm.
thing. Okay.
Hmm.
So just few things are there in academic part. Like don't go completely blank. Speak whatever you know. It
Okay.
doesn't like it is not possible that you don't know anything, right? You should be knowing, right?
Hmm.
So that all things. And the question which I asked you about photosynthesis, right?
Hmm.
So in that question, the answer was vitamin D. we can give everything to a plant in a room, but vitamin D we can't give. That only sun can give. There is no as any source from where we can give vitamin D to a plant, right? So that was a mind question. That was not a theoretical question or practical question. That was a like logical question basically. We have to think logically that what we can get from sun and what we cannot provide to a plant in a room, right?
Yeah.
That was basically a logical explanation. So you have to work on all these points only.
Okay,
Rest
sir.
things were very good, appropriate, up to the mark. Keep it up. The skills
Thank
which
you,
you
sir.
have, the confidence which you have, keep it up. That is the best what you have in you. Okay, just work on the feedbacks. And apart from this, if you want to ask something, you can definitely ask.
Sir, I mean, to give an honest review, like how much would you rate me on 10, sir? On the scale of 10 or something?
See, on the scale of 10, for today's interview, I would be rating 6 or 7 because
Okay,
in
sir.
some answers I was not satisfied. Okay,
Okay.
I expected a better answer from you, but that was not at all satisfactory. Things were up to the mark, but I was expecting something more from you. Okay,
Okay.
so in those questions, you have to just work on it. We'll give you the video recording, okay, or just you can just recalculate all the things, okay, and then you can just watch where you lagged and
Yes, sir.
what all things you have to cover, okay. So apart from this, do you want to ask me anything else?
No, sir.
Okay,
Like I'm very
that
much
is
satisfied. This was so challenging
it.
for me. Yeah. I
It was
mean, and
like I did it intentionally. It was my intention to have challenging questions to you because previously I had questions. I knew that what all answers you can give and where all you can lack. I knew that part. That's why I created this so that you can have a challenging answers. So it was good. The answers were good. I was expecting that you will give me a satisfactory answer, but that was good, right? Because the questions were difficult, so the answers were as per the questions. The answers were okay. I can just say it okay. And for this interview, if I'm giving you 6 or 7 also, that means you are selected, right? Because the questions were difficult. Okay. So if you are getting anything beyond 5, if I'm giving you 5, 6, 7, then you are selected. Trust me. This is the final interview. If I am taking the final interview, I'll definitely select you for the BDA
okay.
role. And as the HR will also take the interview, he'll definitely shortlist you for this. But work on some points because that are mandatory. It depends on the mood of the HR also. If suppose you are telling one point wrong and he is fond of that particular point only, then he will not select you because of that
Okay.
particular point. So focus on all the points. Try to give answers, appropriate answers at every point. Don't skip any point. Okay.